Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start right in Settings. Unlock your iPhone and tap Cellular once there choose Cellular Data options. You do this because network controls live here. Changing them prevents roaming or battery drain. Make sure you can authenticate if prompted. Once done, you'll see Voice and Data. That is the control for 5G behavior. Do not pause. Proceed to Voice and Data now to pick your preferred connection type and disable 5G radio usage where needed. You now tap Voice and Data to reveal options like 5G on, 5G auto, and LTE. Select LTE to turn off 5G for both data and voice handoffs. This forces the phone to use 4G networks and can improve battery life or compatibility. If you prefer occasional 5G, choose 5G auto instead, which lets the phone use 5G only when it benefits performance. Make sure the change shows a check mark and wait a few seconds for the network to re-register. You finish by confirming the status bar shows LTE rather than 5G. That visual confirms the change. If the phone still shows 5G, restart it to force a network refresh. Make sure your carrier plan supports LTE-only mode. Sometimes carrier settings override device choices. If problems persist, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. Do this only as a last resort because it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.